How's it going, guys? Mike Moo here. So I've done a video about the Shargeek 100 watt battery pack called the Shargeek Storm. Before it was called something else, but one thing you might not have known is that this actually has a case for it now and also a solar panel that is supposed to give out 5 volt 2.4 amps. This is the Shargeek solar panel charger with USB port. USB port is down here. See that right there? And it is supposed to put up 5 volt to 2.4 amps. So good enough for charging your tablet, but also should technically put up to about 12 watts into this battery pack. Now, in case you don't know, actually, you should check out my video down below about this battery pack itself. I've had this for a while. I actually got this from the campaign on Kickstarter, and it's been working out pretty well. However, there have been some issues, so I'll have videos about the battery pack separately. Now, what I'm demonstrating here is that they give you a case. This case is very difficult to get your battery pack in and out, which can be a problem if you do plan on taking it in and out. But thankfully, it is completely customized for the battery pack itself. So I see almost no reason to take it out other than that now you miss out on almost all the cool things that was really cool about the battery pack to begin with. Namely, that it was the first transparent battery pack that was just the coolest looking thing in the world. So you can see there are cutouts here. Basically, all the ports that are needed here: input, output, USB-A, and also DC jack. And in this kit, which does cost an eye-watering $90 or $100 after tax and shipping and all that jazz over here in the United States, you get this setup, and it's held together by Velcro. Okay. And as you can see, there's just a USB-A port out here. And the way this works is they give you a cable. It's not as advertised. I just got this cable. And maybe the cable's at fault, but I'm not sure. So the results I got from this, plugging this in, which is the provided cable that came with this, and plugging in directly here in broad direct sunlight, at the peak of sunlight, even during the summer, I was only able to get 7.7 watts, which is a bit short of the 12 watt maximum output that I was fully expecting. Now, the dimensions here of this are as follows, and I'm just reading this off. It is, when it's folded, okay, so this expands pretty far. This whole thing, look how many panels there are. It is a long piece of solar kit. So this really just expands like so all the way out here through, and you fold it up like a puzzle. But when it is folded, it is only 6.29 by 2.95 by 1.77 inches, according to Shargeek's information. And it just folds up like this. Once you figure out the fold, it's not too bad. There are little grommets here for you to attach it. Some lanyard or something that to hook it onto your backpack. They have pictures of people doing that. I don't foresee myself doing that. I don't think it's worth the effort. And also, this is supposed to be waterproof. I'm not sure how waterproof this is, but I'm sure by what they mean by waterproof is, well, technically, if you leave it out in light rain, it should probably be okay, but probably not best to leave it out soaking or letting it get super duper wet, because that's just going to eventually get into these panels and then pretty much destroy everything. Now, I haven't had long enough for myself to get under real showers for this to test. So take it as what you will. This Velcro's directly on here. So the idea is that this whole thing Velcro's on like this. And then you have this whole pack like this. And then this then plugs in there. And this plugs in here. Then you go ahead and take this out and you lay it out in the sun. And then that's going to give you up to 12 watts. And unfortunately, of course, as I said, I only got 7.75 watts at the maximum. So it really fell short of the wattage that I was really hoping for. So in the end, for me, I don't think this is worth it, because you get this battery pack. You want it to be able to charge super fast. It can charge 100 watts in and out. And now I'm just relegated to 7.75 watts in full bright sunlight while carrying this whole thing around. I will say the case is nice though. It would have definitely protected my battery pack from a little bit of rubbing that I've had over here from use in the past. It would have provided some protection, but they don't sell this separately. If you want the case, you got to get the solar panel, and the whole thing is $100. So that's it. That is my take on the Sharge portable solar charger. For me, I am actually getting a third-party solar charger, so I'll miss out on its case. And one of the big problems that I think people are going to have, as I was demonstrating earlier, is that this is glove tight, which is good because it really doesn't take up more space than your battery pack. But getting the battery in and out of here really takes a lot of effort and could be quite annoying, particularly if you do want to get it out. It takes a little bit of trickery to get it working. But overall, I'd say the construction of it is decent. I believe that it is waterproof enough for the rain. It definitely does protect the battery pack. I wish that I had gotten this sooner, or I wish this was actually cheaper. But right now it's $100. And for that reason and the effectiveness of the charge, it's just not worth it to me. But that's my take. If you are interested in getting this, trying this out, or if you're someone that travels around a lot and needs to keep it really lightweight and small solar panel, I guess this makes sense. But you are definitely paying a premium for that privilege. Now, because this is USB-A, this is going to work with just about any other device. You can use it to charge your phone in the sun if you want to. Probably not the best idea in the world, but if you get a longer cable, you should be okay. So it'll be enough to charge your tablet, charge your phone, and all that other jazz. But the idea, of course, is to use it with this battery pack. So if you did want to just get this and you really like the solar panel itself, I'd say about 8, 9, 10 years ago, this is a decent price. But in today's market, getting something for like $40 is going to provide way better charging capability from solar. And I know because I'm actually testing out some other solar products as well. All right, that's it for this video. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll have a link down below. If you are interested in this, let me know. And let me know why. And let me know if you do get one, if you do get faster charging, because I'm just not seeing it here. Thanks for watching. Please give this a like and subscribe for more. I'll catch you next one.